spin from Autoluxe Resto. Unfortunately, we are in the middle of Corona crisis in the whole world, and I found some time to work on my own problem, which that was a Corolla virus. I've been dealing with for a long time, and that was a good timing to just go on a quarantines and do 2 weeks, maybe more, dealing with the Corolla KE30 1975 build, and give it a quick freshen up. We're gonna start with the engine. We do a little bit of body work. I've done the most major rust repairs on that car three years ago, and some little bits and bobs left on it. I might get a chance to respray the whole car. Maybe I want to change the color on it. I haven't decided yet. I would love you guys give me your idea about it. I was gonna put some slides and some pictures next to each other, like a little slideshow at the beginning. Then I told myself why I don't do a couple of episodes on during the build, and I give you a little bit of explanation at the beginning. Then we do a high-lapse video, not too fast, and keep you guys posted by the progress of the job, which has to be quick because I have a family to take care of, and I have a business, and I have to do things to keep clients happy at the same time. So I decided to do a couple of episodes on the KE30 build. Hope you girls and guys support me while watching, and I'll be appreciated if you can put me your inputs in it. And I'm always available for chat on Facebook, on Instagram, on hashtag Autoluxe Resto or Autoluxe Resto on Facebook. You always can recognize me by my logo. Hopefully we can go from there. I was gonna mention a couple of other things, which keep safe, stay healthy, keep active, and get something done. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. I keep you guys posted by the KE30 progress. And that's not a tutorial video at all. That's my way I'm tackling my projects with the limited tools I have in here in my little workshop at the moment. I'm actively looking for a workshop to hire, and hopefully you see me there soon in my own workshop with more tools and more space, which I've always been struggling. Some of the guys have been kind to me, and I was working in them workshops recently, and I really enjoyed working with them. Hopefully I get my own space soon to make more videos and learn from you guys to make better videos and make more friends all around the world. Thank you for watching.